before applying lipstick, I apply this primer on my lips. It's not a lip primer. If you have a lip primer, then it's well and good, but if you don't, then you can use your normal face primer as the lip primer, as I have done. So what it does, it gives you a very nice texture and it does not make your lips chirpy and help your lipstick stay longer. So yeah. So the first shade which I really love is by Nykaa. It's rusty orange shade. It's just gorgeous, you guys. It's not a proper matte. It's obviously a little shiny, as you can see, but if you want to make it matte, so you can, you know, use a tissue paper and a compact. I even shared a video with some makeup hacks and I'll just put that in the description box below if you want to check it out. So the second shade that I really love is this from Maybelline. It's from their Superstay range and it comes with a lip balm on one side, which is like empty, you can see that, and this liquid lipstick on the other. So it takes like 30 seconds to dry off when you apply on your lips, but I just thought that I'll include a nude shade in this, you know, video. So it's not even a proper pink and not even a proper brown. Maybe that is why I love it, because it has, you know, hint of both. Okay, now let me apply it. I should just stop blabbering. So this is how it looks. It looks gorgeous, right? I also wanted to include a really gorgeous pink in this video for the days, you know, when you wear pastels and very light like white color and you have like a lot of blush on. Such a cute look, right? So this is for those kind of days, and I got this from Nykaa. It's in shade Diana. It's from their new range, which is like ultra matte and is super gorgeous. So this is the color and it's really pretty, you guys. Looks gorgeous, right? So the next shade is by Wet n Wild and it's in the shade Mochalicious. And if you ask me in favorites mein se mera favorite kaun sa hai, so I'll say this one, because I think it's, you know, it just gives me that winter feels. I just love this color a lot and I've used it a lot. So yep. So this is the shade. Isn't it gorgeous? Wait, I'll show you. Thoda paas se. So yes, this is the most favorite color of mine from this video. Don't forget to comment down below which one is yours. Just one more is left, which is like the showstopper, because you know we need that color in our life, so wait for it. So the last but not the least shade is this really beautiful red by Nykaa, and again it's from their ultra matte range. And believe me when I say this red is so pretty. I mean, I think it will suit, you know, every complexion. It's so gorgeous. Like मैंने आज तक जितने भी reds use किया है, it's my favorite. Plus इसका texture इतना अच्छा है, and no, it's not a sponsored video. I really love this. Now let me show you how does it look. I know it's not perfectly applied because I'm doing it for the 5th time. So please उसपे comment मत करना, but comment down below which one was your favorite color, and I'll put all the links to these lipstick in the description box below, so make sure you check it out if you wanna buy any of these. So all these lipsticks that I've shown in the video are under 650 rupees. I think it's a good amount to spend on a lipstick because it lasts very long. I don't think you can ever finish a lipstick. So yes, if you found this video helpful, please like this video and comment down below which one was your favorite shade, and if you have any of these, and if you buy any of these after watching my video, don't forget to tag me in your pictures or just comment down below that you're gonna buy it. I'll feel good, you know. So yeah, that is it for the video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and help me grow. Let's make this family bigger, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.